Hey, hope you're enjoying the show, learning a lot today. I know I am. Just a reminder, don't forget to scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen so you can enter to win the grand prize. Okay, now, what is happening in here?
Hi, Terry. Here, put these on.
Oh, okay, all right. Well,
eye protection.
I'm interested to know what is happening here. Oh, my goodness. You know what, Dr. McCoy, you say in your practice that you get a lot of patients come in for two things, hair loss and turkey necks. Now, I can believe both of those.
That's right. So my mandate was to address both of those things. And what I'm doing here is one of the components to our hair rejuvenation protocol.
Oh.
And why it's important is because I'd estimate that by the age of 50, about 75% of my patients have some sort of change with their hair, some hair loss or some change in their thickness.
Wow.
So we want to be able to be proactive and address that.
Right.
This is using red light. This is the Smart Lux, using red light to stimulate blood flow, improve follicle thickness, and it works together with some of the other amazing things that we do for hair.
So we're looking at some before and afters, and honestly, the regrowth is really impressive, and it seems like it's not only regrowth, but thicker.
Yes.
Is that right?
Thicker, healthier, softer, more hair. So it's one of those things that's very common that patients, after they do treatment, they feel a difference in their hair very quickly. But hair takes time. It takes many, many months to stimulate new hair growth, new hair follicles. So we combine topical exosomes with the red light, with the RF Microneedling. All of that together is a treatment plan that works really well, in addition to good home care.
Okay.
So we use different products to help with that process too.
I'm guessing that's where the consultation comes in, why it's so important for you to really look at the scalp and determine which variety, right, of treatments are necessary.
And it's looking internally, because if there's some sort of hormonal issue, other things nutritionally, we want to make sure that we're addressing the whole patient so that we can really get to the root cause of what's going on with hair. Because it's not simple, but we can get to the root problem.
Yeah, it's not simple, but can be done. That's the best part. Okay, let's talk turkey necks, shall we? Yeah, let's talk turkey necks. Oh, okay, great. So we can take these off?
Yeah, we don't need that now.
Excellent. Okay, so necks. Very sensitive part of our bodies, right? But it shows our age. It screams our age. How do you help us with that?
So the biggest thing with the neck is often we neglect it, meaning we do all these different treatments for the face, and as the years go on, we've done nothing for the neck. So we're kind of playing catch up. So my mandate is to start treating early. That's one.
Right.
And to start using a lot of the great things we use on the face, we can use on the neck. So we use RF microneedling. We use the new Exion Clear. We use all of these different technologies to improve the skin quality and improve collagen, and it's absolutely beautiful. The only downside with the neck is we can't be as aggressive as we are on the face. The skin heals differently, so it usually requires a little bit more treatment.
Yeah.
But the advice is start sooner than later.
Right? Because, you know, that is the thing. It is sensitive. Like I said, it feels like it's a lot thinner. Is it true that the skin around the neck is a little bit thinner too?
The skin is thinner, and it doesn't have the same number of sebaceous glands, so it's not as oily as the skin on the face. And that's why it doesn't heal as well. So if you initiate an injury, which often we're doing with a laser or a different treatment, we want it to heal beautifully, so we can't be as aggressive because it doesn't have as much sebaceous glands in the neck.
Which is kind of the reason why it's the first to go.
You got it. You got it.
I told you, we're learning a lot here today. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Dr. McCoy. Really good information.
I'll get back to my treatment.
Get back to your treatment. All right, so would you like to meet Dr. McCoy up close and personal? Well, you can tour their beautiful new office and see what's coming. RSVP for their grand reopening event on Thursday, November 14th from 1 until 6 p.m. Enjoy light bites, refreshments, and special giveaways. RSVP at 480-545-2832 or the website, contourmedical.com.